again, another book we are sharing is Men Are For Mars and Women Are For Venus. So ano bang lesson natin today? In defense of Mr. Fix-It and the Home Improvement Committee. So, yung Mr. Fix-It is the man and yung Home Improvement Committee is the women. So, yun, sometimes or most of the time, we go home from work, we are tired, we are bothered, we are stressed. So, and we are sharing the events of the day na ito yung nangyari, we are frustrated, we are expected to do this, hindi natin deliver. So, probably na-reprimand tayo or we are have a one-on-one session to improve our performance. So, pag uwi natin, we are sharing this with our husband. So, sasabihin kagad ng husband, oh, so you just resign from work kung ganyan na hindi ka na-appreciate. So, we feel bad kasi bakit hindi naman tayo, we are not into the point of resigning. We just want someone to listen to us. So, parang our husband or our partner will be telling us to just quit kesa mas stress tayo. But what we want is a listening ear. Yung Home Improvement Committee naman is tayo as women, we want our man to change their siguro negative ways or behaviors or habits, no? So we provide parang mga unsolicited advice which the man does not want. Parang feeling, am I not enough? Am I not good? Am I bad? Bakit I have to change? Why do you want me to change? So, yun yung mga differences that we have to resolve para understanding each other's sabi nga ni John Ray, hindi naman masama yung mga solutions or yung mga advice, unsolicited advice, but it's all a matter of timing. So, kung tama yung timing, we can ano nga, insert this suggestions or solutions or unsolicited advice. But if the woman is stressed or depressed, parang it's not the right thing to provide the solution or to just tell him to quit that work, no? Or kung naman na feeling natin stress na rin yung man natin, tapos sasabihin natin, why don't you change and be this person? So doon tayo nagkakaroon ng differences. So find the right timing to all of these things so that we'll be able to have an harmonious relationship. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.